I want you to take like a minute and think about something that's identifiable. We're not going to do this exercise again, but we are going to ask you all, because it is a small group, to introduce yourself and think of that one token branding item about yourself that would be very memorable. Take a minute or so.
I'm Rosanna Aragon. I'm a co-founder of UniPro Chicago Midwest, an organization that works to bring resources and workshops to young professionals in the Asian American community. How I know Shane? Shane was an active member of the U of I community when I was a student leader, and he was always pushing Asian American students to break through barriers and really be their best self.
At the workshop, I learned how important it is to make a good first impression, especially one that'll make yourself stand out from other qualified students, especially at career fairs, talking to employers.
Yeah, and just building off what Erica said, like we learned how to be very professional when talking to future employers and just to be confident in yourself and your abilities. Thank you.
This workshop was it was just so amazing because it taught you so many things. We had to tell like one unique thing about ourselves that could give a pitch to someone that we just met. And even though right now I know my voice probably on camera seems very high pitched, that could get me an interview in like 2 years or something in like a big company. Just wait, you're gonna see me, yeah. And I think that it was a very good experience because there's just so many things that you learned, like business cards, handshakes, getting to know people to get to your next meeting. It's just all about networking.
It's what you do, because you want to make it mutual, but don't make it like, one-sided, where you're only connecting with someone just to get something out for yourself, right? So make sure it's mutual in terms of that. The last